Well, these days, couples can spend thousands of dollars on infertility treatments, but some women are finding help from a very unlikely place. They're hoping their fertility answers are simply an adjustment away. The story is tonight's Women Matter.
A peacock.
Dawn and Eric Strelo have a new reason to smile these days.
I was so excited I couldn't even talk.
When we got the news that Dawn was pregnant, and it was wonderful. It was great.
News this couple had waited a long time to hear. Dawn says she struggled with fertility until she began working with a chiropractor. She says after just 3 months, she got pregnant.
I wasn't sure what to think, but I thought it would at least help, if nothing else.
Dr. Lyle Kocha says he's helped about 40 women conceive through chiropractic treatments.
I have one daughter of my own, and I say I have approximately 35 or 40 other children that we've been able to help, so I have 40-some kids.
Dr. Kocha uses this machine to check if a woman's spine is misaligned. He says adjustments can help the nerve root that goes to the ovaries work properly.
When it went to the female organs, that organ wasn't working right. When we adjusted it, we allowed that nerve to work right, thus the body could function properly, in that case, the ovaries.
Still, Kocha says not every woman with a misalignment will have success with treatment.
I'd love to say that every health professional is the answer to everything, but it's not. We're just another tool in the toolbox of healthcare to humanity.
A shark.
But for those it has worked for, the treatment has been the answer to their prayers.
Anywhere he goes, he just lights up the room, and he's just such a blessing to us and to so many people. It's really awesome.
A study published in a chiropractic journal found 14 out of 15 women with a history of fertility problems did become pregnant after starting chiropractic adjustments. If you have a story idea for Women Matter, I'd love to hear from you. Give me a call at 554-4282 or send me an email to amuller@kptm.com.